I look forward to seeing you at the 2022 NGH Annual Convention and Educational Conference live in Marlborough, Massachusetts, and I'll be one of the presenters. Please join me for Make Sure They Believe You. This presentation is designed to show you how to help your clients believe and respect in what they're doing and learning from you. Never have them leave the session thinking, yeah, but was I really hypnotized? And the 3 must-have qualities to possess in the free screening that helps you to deliver powerful results for your clients and be truly respected in your field. I'll be covering the following topics: going beyond rapport, how to help your clients become real with you, using the client read, helping them to feel deeply understood and truly ready for their change. Also, the 2-step formula to create belief, and how to show them that reality is actually better than what they thought in the first place. Proper use of hypnotic convincers and exact pre-talk that clears away any misunderstandings and sets proper expectations. This presentation is designed to give you the skill sets to boost your client results and become real with your clients so that they trust you and respect you so much that they may even say to you, "Thank you, that's not what I wanted to hear, but it's exactly what I needed to hear. Give me more." So I look forward to meeting you at this year's NGH convention.